Learn Hindi fast. Have fun. Good idea. I agree in.
Hindi.
Welcome to the Hindi picnic. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi with a very serious educational method, a mildly chaotic picnic. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat after the characters. Our story begins in a park where Sam arrives with a giant bag, a tiny spoon, and the confidence of a man who has absolutely no plan. His friend Meera looks at the mountain of snacks and says, first of all,
मजे करो.
Quote. That means, have fun. Sam nods as if he invented fun. Then he opens the bag and 3 lemons, a kite, and 1 mysterious potato roll away. Meera blinks and says, bringing extra snacks was in.
अच्छा विचार.
The potato? Less so. Sam points at the clouds and says,
मुझे लगता है.
This picnic will still be amazing. Meera laughs. Honestly.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
Quote. The snack crisis. Now you will hear the phrases inside a silly little disaster, which is excellent for memory. Listen for the Hindi and connect it to the situation. Sam starts pouring spicy snack mix into a bowl. He pours, and keeps pouring like he is trying to feed a football team, a marching band, and maybe 2 elephants. Meera raises a hand and says,
ये काफी है.
Quote. That means, that is enough. Sam freezes dramatically, as if he has been stopped by ancient picnic law. A moment later, he drops the spoon. Then the bowl tips. Then a squirrel appears, clearly trained by destiny. Sam whispers, sorry. Meera shrugs and smiles.
कोई बात नहीं.
Quote. It doesn't matter. No problem. The squirrel, now emotionally involved, steals 1 chip and leaves with the swagger of a tiny king. Mini phrase drill. Your turn now. I say the English, then you say the Hindi out loud, even if your houseplant judges you. Have fun.
मजे करो.
Good idea.
अच्छा विचार.
It doesn't matter.
कोई बात नहीं.
I agree.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
That is enough.
ये काफी है.
I am happy.
मैं खुश हूँ.
I believe.
मुझे लगता है.
A very wise pigeon joins. Because every language lesson improves when a bird acts like a philosopher. Just accept it. A pigeon lands near the blanket and stares at the snacks like a strict food critic. Sam says,
मुझे लगता है.
He wants a cracker. Meera replies,
मैं सहमत हूँ.
He has the eyes of a bird who has opinions. Sam offers half a cracker. The pigeon takes it and walks away slowly, as if reviewing a restaurant. Meera smiles and says,
मैं खुश हूँ.
Sam asks, because the pigeon liked us? Meera says, no, because the squirrel did not steal the sandwiches. Fair enough. Useful dialogue you can actually use. Let's turn the chaos into real-life Hindi. These are short lines you can imagine saying to friends. A. I am going to the party. B.
मजे करो.
A. We should leave early. B.
अच्छा विचार.
A. Sorry, I made a mistake. B.
कोई बात नहीं.
A. This plan works well. B.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
A. More tea? B.
ये काफी है.
A. How do you feel today? B.
मैं खुश हूँ.
A. Do you think it will rain? B.
मुझे लगता है.
Yes. Memory tricks with extra silliness. You remember better when the image is ridiculous. So let's make these phrases wonderfully weird. Picture a giant festival gate shouting,
मजे करो.
as you walk in. Imagine a glowing light bulb wearing sunglasses and announcing,
अच्छा विचार.
See a broken cup magically repairing itself while someone says,
कोई बात नहीं.
Imagine two parrots in a meeting both nodding and saying,
मैं सहमत हूँ.
Picture an overflowing teacup finally stopping at the perfect level with,
ये काफी है.
See a dancing mango with sparkles singing.
मैं खुश हूँ.
Imagine a detective holding a magnifying glass and whispering,
मुझे लगता है.
Quick quiz at the blanket. Let's see what stuck. Answer before I do. The squirrel is timing you and he is not generous. How do you say, have fun, in Hindi?
मजे करो.
How do you say, good idea?
अच्छा विचार.
How do you say, it doesn't matter?
कोई बात नहीं.
How do you say, I agree?
मैं सहमत हूँ.
How do you say, that is enough?
ये काफी है.
How do you say, I am happy?
मैं खुश हूँ.
How do you say, I believe?
मुझे लगता है.
Happy ending and one last repeat. You made it through the picnic, the squirrel, and the judgmental pigeon. That is language progress. As the sun goes down, Sam packs up the picnic. This time, for once, he does not bring home 12 extra napkins and one mystery spoon. Mira stretches and says,
मैं खुश हूँ.
Sam replies.
मैं भी खुश हूँ.
Then he adds,
मुझे लगता है.
Learning like this is in.
अच्छा विचार.
Mira says,
मैं सहमत हूँ.
And for today.
ये काफी है.
Sam drops one last cracker. Mira smiles.
कोई बात नहीं.
They wave goodbye and tell you.
मजे करो.
With your Hindi practice. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and come back soon for more Hindi. You are doing great.